Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sika Alicia, and in this video, I will be presenting the finding of my research in International Conference on Applied Science and Technology. In the proceeding title, Pick and Place Control of Trade-off Robot Manipulator using Linear Quadratic Integrator. I hope this presentation provides a clear overview of the contribution and discovery made through this work. Thank you for watching, and let's begin. According to data from International Federation of Robotics, in World Robotic Report released in October 2022, the volume of robot installation for industrial needs continued to grow rapidly. In 2011, the numbers of robots installed was 166,000 units. Meanwhile, in 2021, the number of robots installed will be 517,000 units, meaning that in 10 years, the use of robots will increase by around 211.44%. The linear quadratic regulator is a fundamental method in control theory used to design optimal state feedback controllers for linear dynamic system. The system is typically represented in state space from as x dot equals ax plus bu, y equals cx, where x dot is state derivative, is x is the state vector, u is the control input, y is the output, and IBC are matrix that define the system dynamics and output. In this study, the state space model was obtained as follows, where this is a matrix I, this is matrix B, and this is matrix C. We get this state space model from DC motor equation and Newton law. When a plane doesn't have an integrator, the error steady state value will not be zero. Therefore, it is necessary to add an integrator or linear quadratic integrator to LQR controller between the error signal and the plane with the aim to producing an error value of zero. The block diagram of linear quadratic integrators is shown in figure. Here, we add integrator on the block diagram. Here is my block diagram. First, the input signal, which is coordinate, will be transformed to theta using inverse kinematic. And this will be reference angle. Secondly, the output of inverse kinematic added by error signal, and then the result processed by LQI to get U as control signal, which the signal will be transferred to arm robot. In after arm robot get control signal, it will try to move to reference angle. There is angle sensor for each dove. The angle sensor will give us actual reading of each dove. And this value will be as feedback signal to the reference signal. And two of this value will continue operated until the error between them is zero. The LQI controller is designed by adjusting the weighting of Q and R matrix. The Q matrix has an influence on the step, one of which is the error value produced, while the R matrix affects the control signal or energy use. If Q matrix value greater than R matrix, the step will go faster to zero or reference with a large input control value. In this study, the weight of the Q and R matrix as determined as follows. There is a plan of trade-off robot manipulator, which will produce three outputs, namely theta 1, 2, and 3. A weight value of 100 in Q matrix is given to the theta. A weight value of 1 in the Q matrix is given to the omega. This is done to produce a phase angular response. Then, which a value of 1000 is given to the state error for angel 1, 2, and 3. The state error is generated from the integral of difference between each set point and the output. A value of 1000 is given that so the state error response is 10 times faster than the angular response. The wedge in the R matrix is given value of 1 because the control signal product does not have specific criteria. The simulation is performed in MATLAB Simulink by creating a state space model of the manipulator robot. The simulation is conducted to validate and implement the control algorithm on the hardware. We use the MG99 egg-arm servo motor parameter as listed in the table. These parameters were obtained from the datasheet. Based on this parameter, we can obtain matrix I hat, B hat, and C hat as follows. Here is our simulation result. The figure of response of joint peak is in this picture, and this is a control signal, and this is the picture of response joint of the place, and this is the control signal. The control signal will then provide the system with an angel value, which will return to 0 once the system reach the set point as depicted in the picture. The set point angular is obtained from this inverse kinematic to reach the coordinate point decided by the n effector. Inverse kinematic provides the angular set point and each dot. Based on the simulation result, it was found that the design controller can produce a good angular response in tracking the set point value. The resulting control signal is also appropriate when the target angel has been reached. The signal is at a value of 0. This means that LQI has worked by minimizing the value of the control signal. We carry out analyzing using measurement of the integral absolute error value and setting time to determine the quality of the control response is in the table. To validate the simulation result, we also implement hardware experimental testing. The hardware system block diagram is shown in picture. We use an Arduino as the controller, which is connected to a personal computer. The personal computer is set to output all data on the serial monitor. The controller now integrates to the controller gains derived earlier from MATLAB into the C programming implementation. Additionally, the Arduino is connected to 3 sensors which operate in real time to calculate angel and angular speed for each joint. In this experiment, we use MG996R servo motor, the power by a 5-volt DC supply. The hardware experiment implementation is depicted in figure. This is our hardware experimental. Here is hardware experimental result. We compare between inverse kinematic and LQI controller. Based on experiment, it can be seen that inverse kinematic has a maximum error of 26 degree, but in LQI controller has an error of 1.11 degree. And then the signal response of the LQI is better than inverse kinematic. You can see on the picture. Conclusion, the design and implementation of LQI controller of the of the trade-off robot manipulator pick and place mission has been successfully carried out. The LQI controller can be designed using a linear model of the robot. The research show that the LQI controller can improve the robot behavior when carrying out the pick and place mission. In hardware experiment, the pick and place mission with LQI controller only produces an error of 1.11 degree in the pick operation at joint 1. However, the research has not considered the coupling effect between joints. In future research, nonlinear controller can be designed so that coupling effect between joints as a disturbance can be overcome. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.